Welcome to Ywallet, a privacy-oriented crypto wallet and messenger for both Ycash and Zcash. Ywallet allows its users securely send and receive Zcash or Ycash transactions while maintaining full privacy at all times. Ywallet also has a unique Multipay feature that allows its users create a single payment transaction with multiple recipients and varying amounts. Let's demonstrate and see how Ywallet Multipay works. First, we need to download Ywallet either from the Google Play or Apple Store, or we can download the PC clients from ywallet.app. Once downloaded and opened, we'll set up a local account on the wallet, back up our private keys, and finally, fund the wallet with some tokens, and now we're ready to explore Ywallet Multipay. To be able to use this feature, we just need to click the menu icon, head over to Settings, and switch to Advanced Mode, and then click OK at the bottom. Next, we head back to the menu again, click Advanced, and navigate to Multipay. Here we can click this plus icon and impute the wallet address we wish to fund, the amount, and we can also include a readable memo for the recipient. Once we're done, let's click Add, and now we can see our first recipient. We can repeat this process multiple times for multiple addresses, customizing the amount we want to send and the memos to be received. And once we're ready, we'll click the Send icon, review the transaction details, and click Send. Now the recipients can receive funds from the same transaction, and we can confirm this from the TX ID on the Block Explorer. Visit ywallet.app today to download the software and get started.